Hi, I'm Dr. Jha from Clinic in Leamington Spa. Today we are meeting this lovely young man who is 80 years of age and he has consented to be on the video. John presented to me with multiple seborrheic keratosis all over his face, mainly the top of the face, forehead and temples and so on. He had contacted his GP on a number of occasions to get rid of these unwanted skin growths, seborrheic keratosis. His GP was discouraging him all the way through. They didn't want to talk about the issue and he was fed up. One fine day he was just passing by, he saw our clinic, he stepped in and then he had a conversation with me, consultation with me. We assessed the problem and they were all seborrheic keratosis, which was very unsightly and ugly. I will share the pictures before and after, how it looked before and afterwards. Here is John. Let me ask his entire treatment journey, starting from the beginning till now, what he has to say.
Absolutely fantastic. I was always informed by my GP that we could not remove these on the NHS, and all I was told was if we were going to have them removed, we'd have big scars. I come to see my lovely friend here, Dr. John, who saw me one afternoon and he looked, I'd got I reckon I'd got 9, maybe 10 all over my face. And I got one in particular, which is a great big one on the top of my forehead, the left hand side. And he did no more to tell me that he could remove these without any scars whatsoever, which we duly did, and lo and behold, he did it for me the same afternoon. And I came here with a big lump, and I went out of here absolutely gobsmacked, because he sorted me all out. I had to come back after a month, because he wanted to remove the further 8, which he duly did, and they're absolutely spotless. I can't praise him enough. He did me a fabulous job. Thank you, Dr. Jha.
What would you like to tell to the viewers who is watching this video and they suffer from similar age spots all over their forehead, maybe ladies, maybe men? What would they like to tell them?
I would like to tell them that if they've got any worries whatsoever, please come here and see my good friend and he'll look after you.
Thank you, thank you.